Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the PXHIPE64.SYS error as preventing you from actually enabling memory integrity on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So if you're having this incompatible driver issue, then I'll show you how to resolve it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung Windows PowerShell. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang tong yes. And then dito sa Administrator Windows PowerShell, so kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na PNPUTIL space dash F space dash D NBXHIP64.SYS. And then next ay copy lang natin yan. And then kailangan lang natin dito i-paste. Kung paano natin ito i-paste, so dito sa task kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung edit. And then select mo lang dito yung paste. And then next step ay press mo lang yung enter. Ayan. So, ang next step dito, once na na-enter mo na siya, so close lang natin yan. And then dito ulit sa search menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang ulit mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung Run as Administrator. And then if you receive user account control, and then click mo lang tong yes. And then dito sa Administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsem space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So, copy lang natin yan. And then next step ay kailangan natin i-paste dito. Kung paano natin yan i-paste, so dito lang sa taas, kailangan lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung edit. And then select mo lang dito yung paste. And then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan. So, dito ay kailangan lang natin na hintayin na ma-complete yung verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay i-type mo lang yung sfc space slash scan now. So, one word yung slash scan now, and then dapat in on small letters. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na verification 100% complete. So ang next step natin gagawin ay close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang sa start menu, and then click mo lang to restart. Yan. So, ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix PXHIP64.SYS prevents the enabling of memory integrity in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.